Yo, when was that?
Boom. Hey guys, welcome for a new Rxyal Crew Monthly Meet. Cars are still coming in. It is still early, but it's already pretty busy. Alright, bud. Mrs. Aspo, we've seen recently as well. Going to be even busier than next time. This beauty is parking here. Got the Honda Accord estate over there. BMW waiting. We've got her mate in his lovely skyline here. Should be pretty loud. Now it's straight pipe. Yeah, we've got a few more here as well. One of my favorite Subaru build. It is stunning. We've seen it recently if you watch us often. But yeah, what a beauty. Absolutely gorgeous body kit. Next to that we've got an old Merc in blue. I think my neighbors got one of them. Next to that we've got our friend GTR. The one you've seen a spitting flame at the beginning. The exhaust is new, but it's going to get plenty of stuff done over winter, so after winter we should see it transformed a bit. Now let's have a quick browse of the car on the inside of the enclosure. Starting with this modern Subaru STI.
Can you get me my drink, please? And my food.
Next to this lovely Merc with a very menacing light. Oh, and quite a bonnet as well actually. And if you can see, but that's actually plastic, so you can see the engine through. It's really cool. Bronze wheels, and follow it there to check the tag out. Little carbon lip. It's a lovely Mercedes. Normally not a fan, but that's nice. Little Skoda VRS. Next to this 3 Series, I believe. Next to the EP3, as you can see, it's quite crowded, and there is actually a pumpkin hunt that have been organized. Got to love an EP3. Next to a little Peugeot 107. Very nice. More car coming in. That's our Ibiza that we know. Next to that we got a Sirocco. I do love those. Alright guys. Next to that 350Z.
I mean, the BMW, it was drifting off.
One we've seen recently as well. Next to that we've got an MK1 MX5. Actually it says Unos there. And yes, very much so. It is an imported one. Look at that lovely wooden steering and this rare brown interior. Next to that we've got a usual, the RS6. Seen many times, but it is a beauty. I actually prefer those to the latest one. You can check that tag and that tag. But yeah, lovely cars. Next to that we've got our mate 350Z, which today we will be able to see all the LED. If you remember in the last video we've seen it, I said I like to see it in the dark, and thankfully he came today. Go check him out there if you haven't yet. You can already see the LED being reflected in the water. Next to that we've got a BMW. Next to a Porsche we've seen recently as well. Next to BMW wagon with a lovely collection of squid and a Rxyal Crew. Rxyal Crew, not Rxyal Crew. Also they are both, you know, you could have both. You could have a Rxyal Crew and a Rxyal Crew. A Rxyal Crew would be lovely too. But anyway, here we have that lovely Ford Focus, which you can go follow it there. Next to that we've got a BMW as well from the Rxyal Crew with some Halloween balloon. Next to that we've got Adams M3 as well.
It's gonna be super now. What's the tree, dude?
I drank last night.
It was 0%.
Next to that lovely bagged A5 which we've seen before, and is actually gorgeous, all blacked out. The tag to go follow, muddy as well, but as you can tell, that's what happened here. I'm actually tempted to do a lunch in this later, so that my car is like that for the show tomorrow. Here we've got that bag MK6. That's the driver of the car.
Not in my car,
In the yacht. In the yacht. When was that?
earlier you'll come into Stowe from it.
Oh, okay, that was when we were coming back from here.
Then follow this one here. And tomorrow it's going to Snetterton Modified Live as well. Most of Rxyal Crew is going, and we should see them there here. Here we've got the MK7. Oh yeah! Follow it there. Bola wheels. Ooh, spooky. And next to that we have a bagged S3, which has been disrespected. That is a dog pee. Lovely car. One you can follow here. As you can see, it is still getting on. And was disrespected a bit too. Somebody is leaving. That is a S3, I believe. That is mine. That is a loud S3 or RS3, I don't know. Couldn't tell. And here we've got a lovely Porsche next to mine. That's gorgeous.
Go and get her. Go and get her.
Lovely GT4. Somebody's going as well over there. Gorgeous interior, carbon seat. That is lovely. It's gorgeous. Next to that we've got a Ford Focus RS. Very shiny green. Giant exhaust tip. Like we do on those. One you've seen before as well. This Done-Up Polo. And next to that we've got a Ford Focus ST. Black and red combo. And we still have a row as well, but we are nearly done with this row and then we can tackle the middle. As you can see, it is pretty busy. And here we've got a Rxyal Vectra.
Straight into it. Literally Joe's saying, me and Joe wired it with pieces.
Next to a Golf GTI with the exhaust in the middle. Looks nice like that. Nice and low. Next to that we've got a big ass Lexus, a boat. Somebody's going. That's a Vox, no, that's a Skoda VRS LS430. It is next to a 3 Series. Oh, and here comes my favorite Sylvia. This is a beauty. Looks like the hunt is starting. You can see plenty of kids here to enjoy the activities. And we might not bring you tons of action, but we can, what we bring you, show you that the car scene is very much not a bunch of Asbo dicks, but actually just a group of car enthusiasts with their family. Wanted to share their hobby together and have a good time. Oh yeah. And this is a big ass dog.
Go. Sit.
That's it. Look at that. And you pretty, eh? That's our 666 friend Clio coming in, a Flamer 176 I believe the tag is, if my memory serves right. But anyway, let's go check out the rest of the car, starting with this little Golf there. Next to that we've got that little MK4 that I really love the wheels off, which you can go follow here. Next to that we've got a speaker boot. I have no idea what the car is. I think it is a Daewoo or something. But yeah, you can see there's a little setup in the back. Next to that we've got a little Seat with a big exhaust, making my stick family. There's a little Mini. Got the bonnet open, so it'll be rude not to look. And yes, you can see the red one was indeed a Daewoo. This one is filmed recently as well, but lovely. I absolutely love the texture. And look at those exhaust tips. Massive. And here we've got a lovely 200 SX. It's stunning, that. Wide body. Like the other one we've seen come in, with pop-up headlights.
Hang on, there's more. Come on. There's more. They're all being boring, them lot.
But you can see, everybody's getting excited for the hunt.
Right, are you ready?
The hunt, with a H, not a C.
Treasure hunt, come on.
No, hang on. Yeah, there's a lake.
I'll bring it back if you want.
Only a picture.
Liam, please bring
Take
one
a
back.
photo of whatever's fine.
Right, a duck, a flower, a Rxyal Crew sticker, a Royally certified sticker, an octopus, a toy octopus. You can take a picture. A number plate that says woo woo. Baby Yoda. And they say wheel nut. Arch clip fitment. A big gay wing. And 5 pumpkins. They're numbered 1 to 5. Don't move them. Leave them where they are. Take a photo.
Don't tell anyone.
I want to take a picture of the list. Come on, see me. Take a picture of the list.
Everything you find, you take a photo of. Don't move the pumpkins. Leave the pumpkins where you find them.
The better it is.
As you can see, quite exciting. So you might as well do this last car. You can follow it there. It's a Supra. You can't do a meet without a Supra. They're lovely, obviously. The bizarre windows that came in. Follow it there if you just remember. Rxyal Crew sticker on there now. BMW wide bodied. Big Ford, it's got to be here as well. It's fucking huge. The little Volvo C30 with green light. If you remember, that's the one with the green engine bay as well. Little MR2 joining the crew. Very nice.